I hope all of you are doing well. So today our topic is mesothelioma. Mesothelioma is a rare and aggressive form of cancer caused by asbestos exposure. So asbestos was commonly used in industries such as construction, shipbuilding and manufacturing until the late 1970s. So when its health risk come widely known, the latency period for mesothelioma from asbestos exposure to diagnosis is typical 20 to 50 years. So mesothelioma patients have the legal right to seek compensation through settlements or lawsuit against asbestos manufacturers, suppliers and employers. So mesothelioma settlements are financial compensation awarded to individuals who have developed the disease due to asbestos exposure. So, settlements amount vary widely based on factors such as severity of the disease, the extent of asbestos exposure, and responsible parties' financial resources. So, mesothelioma settlements can range from thousands of millions of dollars depending on the specific circumstance of each case. So settlements can cover medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering and other related damages. The majority of mesothelioma case and settled out of court through negotiations between the affected individual and the defendant. So in some instance mesothelioma case may go to trial if settlements cannot be reached. Mesothelioma settlements can be obtained through individual lawsuit or as a part of class actions lawsuit where multiple plaintiffs join forces against a common defendant. So many asbestos manufacturers and companies have established trust funds to compensate mesothelioma victims and extend the settlement process. So mesothelioma patients can work with experienced mesothelioma attorney who specialize in asbestos litigations to navigate and the legal process and maximize their chance of obtain a fair settlement. So asbestos legislation has a set of limitations which varies from a state to state, limiting the time frames in which a claim can be filed. It is essential to consult with the attorney as soon as possible after diagnosis. So settlements are typically paid by defendant of or their insurance companies. So mesothelioma settlements are not taxable under federal law, but it's critical to consult with the tax professional regarding any potential state or local tax implications. So mesothelioma settlements can provide financial stability for affected individuals and their families, covering the high cost of medical treatment and improving their quality of life. So settlement funds can be used for various purposes included medical bills, experimental treatments, home healthcare and travel expenses, and providing for dependents. The exact amount of settlement in influenced by factors such as the stage of the disease, the patient's overall health, and the expect future medical expenses. It is important to gather all necessary medical and employment records, including evidence of asbestos exposure, or to strengthen the case and increase the chance of a favorable settlement. So some mesothelioma settlements may include structured payment which provide periodic payments over a specified period instead of a lump sum. So the legal process for mesothelioma settlements can be lengthy, typically lasting several months or longer depending on the complexity of the case. So mesothelioma patients should seek treatment from specialized medical professionals experienced in managing the disease.